guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a natural hair tutorial. I got you guys on my 4C hair, 4B hair. I got you. So I'm gonna show you how I lay my hair down. Right now my hair, I did a treatment and I twisted it, and this is how it's looking right now. But it's gonna change because I'm doing a slick down. So let's get into the video. So before we get into the video, please leave a like and subscribe and share this video with your friends if you enjoy it, because why not? They might too. And also follow me on Instagram. My stuff will be down below, and if you have any questions or anything, just email me. My email will be down below in the description as well. And don't be afraid to comment down below. I would like to hear what you guys are saying, because I be getting views, but I don't be getting comments, and I kind of like comments more. Not gonna lie to you. Like, I want to hear what you guys think of the video. So yeah, let's go. I don't know if I'm gonna be talking through this video because I talk too much, first of all, and that's why, like, I know this is like off topic, but the reason why I don't talk in my videos is because I talk forever, and once I start talking, the video becomes like 30 minutes long. First of all, that is so long to edit, and you know what, just speeding up things is just a lot quicker and a lot faster for me because I got things to do. I got schoolwork, I got, you know, so this is why I don't talk in my videos. So for some parts of the video, I might not be talking. It's gonna be sped up, and yeah, so let me stop talking and let me actually do the shit. Okay. So first things first, we're gonna do my hair. I know my makeup is not finished. Ooh, and my armpits. Ooh, I did not shave today. I'll just zoom in so you guys won't see that part. But, and if you do end up seeing my armpit hair, okay. We all, you know, we all grow hair under the armpit, so it don't matter. Don't come for me. But yeah, let's get started with the hair. So the stuff that I have today, I think it's a decent amount of products to finesse. So I got some water, some got-to-be glue. I don't normally use this, but as you can see, I'm running low on some Eco Styler gel. So that's what I'll be using, some got-to-be glue and some Eco. And I'm also trying this Style Factor Edge Booster, and I did receive it like last month, and I tried it out, but I've never tried it out on YouTube, so I'm gonna try it out. And I didn't really try it out properly. I just, like, you know, whatever. But yeah, so I like to start from the back of my hair, and then as I get to the front, I do the front and swoop it. Nah. Stop. Oh. Bitch, shut up. No, you don't. Nigga, shut up. And come look at my stuff. No, ho.
Yes, great.
Does it look good? You can move the light.
Yeah.
It looks good?
Yes, nigga.
You can see my hair?
Yes, nigga.
Okay, we can start the video. So we're gonna use some water. And I'm gonna use some water and spray where I'm gonna do my edges so they can move. Cause 4C hair is just gonna take my edge booster and put it right here. And I'm just going to swoop it like that. I don't know how to do edges, guys. I'm getting my makeup messed up, like. Look at something on that side right there. You see that? You see that? Let me get it closer. You see that? I think them edges look good. In my opinion. Okay, see how this, who told this hair could do that? Who told this piece of hair could do that?
Stop chatting to yourself. You sound like a retard.
I'm talking to you, dumbass.
Don't talk to me, asshole.
Bitch, shut the up. I legit just bleeped myself. I'm dead. Okay, edges. Edges actually look good right now, okay? Never mind, I lied. This is not shit. Bye. Like, I don't know why you're telling me bye for. Out of here. Shut up, nigga. Shut up, nigga. She crazy, y'all. She crazy. Don't ever live with your sister. God mistake. I'm just kidding. She's funny. It's just all love. All love. It's like flaky because of the gel, but you know. It's alright. We're not gonna do too much here because this is the style. We'll just soup like that. And that is it, guys. Oh, I actually have some accessories. It's not gonna go with the shirt, this green shirt, but I'm gonna go grab it. Okay guys, so I got some cute clips. My hands are full of gel, so don't mind my hands. But I got some cute clips and I'm about to put that in my hair. Is this cute or whatever? Or should I think I'm gonna keep it like this. Right, keep it like that. And I wish I had a pick, but I don't have a pick. So I'm just gonna poof out my hair. I don't really have much of a poof. Actually, my poof would be a lot bigger if I actually didn't put that curling product in. But I think it's cute for now. It's a little cute. It's a little cute poof. I love it. I like this. I like this edge booster. I was talking crap about it before, but I actually love it, and I will buy more of it. But this white stuff, like, it just leaves the white stuff, but it lays my edges, guys. And my edges are like, they're not hard to lay. It's just that some products, I don't know, it just doesn't work for me. But this shit works. This works 100%. This is it. This is the video. The video is done now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like, as I said before, subscribe, share this video with your friends, turn that notification bell. Do it. I know you want to. Just get it over and done with. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.